Welcome to Legendary Machine, where today we explore the cutting-edge 2026 B-2 stealth bomber, a symbol of power, precision, and advanced aviation technology. This aircraft has always been a marvel of stealth engineering, and the 2026 upgrade takes it to a whole new level, blending futuristic design with unmatched performance capabilities. The exterior design of the 2026 B-2 stealth bomber is nothing short of breathtaking. Built on the iconic flying wing design, it retains the low observable characteristics that make it nearly invisible to radar, but now it carries a modernized aerodynamic shape optimized for next-generation warfare. The fuselage is smoother, more refined, with sharp stealth angles that allow it to deflect radar waves with extreme efficiency. The body is coated with an advanced radar-absorbent material, which has been further improved in this model to reduce detectability across multiple frequency bands. The 2026 version introduces a new thermal signature suppression system, minimizing heat emissions and making it almost impossible for infrared detection systems to track the bomber. Its vibrant, futuristic color options for special showcases, like the striking red finish, are purely for display purposes, as the operational variants remain matte black or dark gray for tactical reasons. The aircraft sits on reinforced landing gear designed to handle its significant payload and extended operational requirements. Its overall dimensions remain close to the original B-2 Spirit, but subtle modifications in wing curvature and air intake placement improve aerodynamic efficiency and stability at both high and low altitudes. Every exterior panel has been precision engineered for stealth optimization, while new composite materials make the structure light yet stronger than ever before. Now, let's move to performance, where the 2026 B-2 truly shines. This stealth bomber has undergone a full propulsion system upgrade, introducing adaptive cycle engines capable of adjusting airflow and temperature for maximum efficiency. These engines deliver superior thrust, allowing the B-2 to maintain long-range strategic missions without relying heavily on aerial refueling. The estimated operational range exceeds 7,000 nautical miles, with advanced fuel optimization technology reducing overall consumption. Despite its large size, the B-2 can cruise at high subsonic speeds, offering a perfect balance of speed and stealth. Its low radar cross-section and advanced electronic countermeasure systems make it one of the hardest targets to track and engage. Payload capacity remains a critical strength. The 2026 variant is equipped with modular bomb bays that support both conventional and nuclear payloads. Additionally, it integrates next-generation precision-guided munitions and hypersonic weapons, expanding its offensive capabilities significantly. The aircraft also benefits from a new open architecture avionics system, enabling rapid software updates and compatibility with emerging weapons technologies. Advanced sensors, data fusion, and AI-driven mission systems enhance situational awareness, making it a true command and control platform in modern warfare scenarios. The B-2 now supports real-time communication with satellite and drone networks, enabling coordinated strikes with unprecedented accuracy. Defensive systems on board are equally advanced. The latest electronic warfare suite can jam enemy radars, intercept signals, and deploy sophisticated decoys to mislead threats. The aircraft's stealth profile combined with these systems ensures mission survivability even in heavily contested environments. Finally, a quick look inside the cockpit reveals a perfect blend of futuristic design and functionality. The 2026 B-2 introduces a glass cockpit with large multifunctional displays, providing pilots with a streamlined, intuitive interface. Enhanced automation reduces workload, allowing the crew to focus on mission-critical tasks. The flight deck integrates augmented reality overlays, offering real-time threat analysis and mission data. Comfortable seating and improved ergonomics make long-duration missions less taxing on the crew, while redundant safety systems ensure reliability under all conditions. The 2026 B-2 stealth bomber is more than just an upgrade. It's a technological masterpiece that pushes the limits of modern aviation. Combining stealth, range, payload, and advanced systems, it stands as the ultimate symbol of strategic air power. This aircraft is a perfect example of how engineering, innovation, and precision come together to create something extraordinary.